Hey, I can change my IP address to view more streamings without limit of time.
Ah, do you know what an IP address is?
Yes, I saw that in my engineering school. It's about the pronunciation of frames with a specific header. In fact, an IP address is composed by 4 numbers between 0 and 255, each determined by a byte and separated by points. This is a global address to transmit a message between two hosts.
Stop.
Oh, what?
This is really boring. Okay, let's see this with different angles. Imagine that you are in your city's post office, okay?
The post office? Maybe.
This represents the router. The city represents the network, and machines on this network are represented by houses.
What? Houses? Machines?
Let me explain. You should know that there are more little cities than big cities in the world. But in those little cities, there are less people than big cities. So you will need to codify the name of big networks on less bytes than little networks. And this is the opposite for machines. This is why networks are separated in different classes, from A to E. It's to codify network on machine's name and the adapted number of bytes.
Okay, so if I understood this right, postmen who are carrying letters are like frames and their address book are like router tables, right?
Yeah, that's it. And sometimes you can have the need to separate your city in districts. To do this, you need to use a netmask. A netmask is following the IP address. The netmask is different for each class. It indicates the number of bits to codify the name of the machine.
Oh, that's well explained.